A three-member bench of the Supreme Court has admitted a presidential reference to reopen the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto murder case. The founding PPP leader, who was also Pakistan's first democratically elected Prime Minister, was arrested for allegedly masterminding the murder of dissident PPP leader Mahmood Raza Kasuri after a military coup by General Zia-ul-Haq in 1979. He was later sentenced to death in a controversial decision by the Supreme Court. One of the judges who opposed his death penalty had to run away from the country to save his life. Federal Law Minister Babar Rawan, who presented his resignation to plead the case on the court's directives, said the PPP has been struggling for 32 years to seek justice.
मुकदमे में बाबर रवान नहीं, शहीद भुट्टो खुद बोलेंगे। मैं तो एक तारीख का कर्ज अदा कर रहा हूं और तारीख का ये सबसे मकरू और सबसे कभी जो जुल्म का ज़ाब्ता था, उसमें जो जुल्म की दास्तान लिखी गई, उसके मुकाबले में वजारत बहुत छोटी सी चीज है। मैं अगर वजीर आजम भी होता तो मैं इस्तीफा दे के शहीद कायदे अवाम के खिलाफ जुल्म की दास्तान के खात्मे के लिए मैदान में आता और इस मुआवनत के दौरान हम मेरिट पे इस जुल्म की दास्तान का खात्मा करवाएंगे। हम आईन की रोशनी में स्याह धब्बे को पाकिस्तान की तारीख से उतारेंगे।
On the other hand, PPP Senator Nayyar Bukhari said the PPP has filed this reference to correct the country's judicial history. He said the public knows that Zulfikar Ali Bhutto is innocent.
अभी केस के मेरिट्स तो डीमेरिट्स डिस्कस ही नहीं हुए और आज आप प्रिज्यूम कर लें ये मुनासिब बात नहीं है। केस को आर्गू होने दें तो उसके बाद फिर देखा जाएगा। तो ये केस जो है इसमें बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट बात है कि सब्सटेंशियल जस्टिस की बात है, रिकॉर्ड दुरुस्त करने की बात है। पब्लिकली जो है ना, पब्लिकली मतलब है कि हर आदमी को पता है कि जुल्फिकार अली भुट्टो इनोसेंट या उन्हें गलत सजा दी थी, तो कम से कम जुडिशियल हिस्ट्री जो है उसका रिकॉर्ड दुरुस्त करने के लिए बहुत जरूरी था।
Will this reference benefit the PPP in the elections? Former President of Supreme Court Bar Association and PPP leader Ehtizaz Ehsan had this to say.
Well, the People's Party should benefit by a positive verdict, definitely. And I think it would be open to the President as the leader of the, also the leader of the People's Party to try to make sure that we get more votes in the next election. And if this move is generated by that kind of motive, so be it. Why should anybody resent it?
This is not the first time that such a reference has been filed. A petition was filed against former Supreme Court Chief Justice Naseem Hasan Shah after he admitted that Bhutto's trial was not fair. But a division bench held that the petition hardly qualified for hearing because the judge could not be proceeded against in a case which had already been decided. As the Supreme Court gets ready to hear the reference by appointing 10 lawyers as amicus curiae, it is to be seen what will be the case's fate this time round.